everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing first impressions of the JOSLOVE Solid Cream Polish. And this is what the package looks like on the front, and in the back you have your directions. You will need for this mani your own gel base coat and top coat. So this is what the kit looks like inside the box. It's super sleek. And then inside you have your 6 colors, and then you also have this brush. And the brush we're going to be using to apply the cream polishes in just a few moments. And then here are all the 6 colors, and they do open up individually, which I really like that about this kit, because then you don't have to worry about cross-contaminating your colors. And aren't those colors gorgeous? Super pretty. And I like how this one also has a glitter in the kit. And then in the next kit, these are more your primary colors. So you have your red, orange, yellow, blue, and green, and then there's a mint green in there, which is really pretty as well. So we're going to go ahead and use these colors today for the mani. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my base coat, and then I'll pop back in a little bit. Alright, so we're diving into this cream gel with that brush. So at first I was a little unsure of how much I needed. So a little bit does go a long way when you are working with these cream polishes. And the brush took me a second to get used to it, but it's actually was pretty fun to use the brush. So normally when you're using your standard gel polish, the brush is pretty, I would say, not firm at all. So it's a very soft brush. So this brush here is a little bit firmer, so you have more control of where you're actually placing the product on your nail, which I do really like that about this brush. So once I moved on to my other fingers here, now we're on to the middle finger, I got the hang of how much I needed in the control of the brush, so it was a lot easier to apply going forward. Just that first initial trying to figure out how much you need on the brush and then getting used to the brush took a second, but I think it's a really kind of unique concept. Now don't worry about the color pigment your first coat, because you are going to be able to build that up on your second coat, and you can always do a third coat as well. So I'm going to go ahead and let you continue watching this mani, and I'll pop back in a little bit. Alright, so we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. I think it's super cute with the colors, and it was really fun to apply with the brush. It was just something different than your normal gel polish. So I'll link everything I use in the description box below. I also have a temporary discount code that you can use on Amazon. I'll link that below as well. I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!